So today we'll start from that very part, past continuous tense, and this is page number 46. Past continuous tense, action that went on in the past. Just like it was raining yesterday. Action that continued for some time in the past. Mannat was crying till she found her doll. Action that happened again and again in the past. The neighbors were fighting almost every day. So, action that takes place repeatedly, action that continued for some time in the past, and action that went on in the past. Next, what is provided here? Rewrite these sentences correctly using the past continuous tense. Rima was run at top speed in the marathon when she fell down. So instead of run, it should be running. Next, the government was thought of creating a new plan for the businessman. So instead of thought, what should be written? It should be written thinking. During my holidays, I was read a new book every week. I was read instead of read, it should be I was reading. She and I were watch television, so it should be watching. Last month, I am working on this project. So last month, instead of am, it should be I was. He hums a sad tune last morning. He was humming. Kindly note down these answers on your book or copy. Little Martha was swam with no safety tube, was swimming. The students were written an essay on their test. Instead of written, it should be writing. Next, what happens when there are two actions that happened in the past and the last action happened in the middle of other action? I was reading the newspaper when she came. Father was cooking dinner when Aunt Jennifer arrived. Simple past and past continuous tenses are used together in such case. Two actions which are taking place almost same time. The longer action is expressed in the past continuous tense, while the other one in the simple past tense. Father was cooking, it was a longer action, while the arrival of Aunt Jennifer, that was a smaller action. It took almost at the same place, so the larger action, the action that is vast, that takes past continuous tense, and the shorter or the briefer action takes simple past tense. Number D. Using these clues, make sentence that show two actions, one in the simple past and the other in the past continuous tense. You may also add words to make your sentence more descriptive. Rohan sleep, courier arrived. Which one is the longer action? Sleep. Shorter action? Arrive. So what should you write? Rohan was sleeping when his courier arrived. Grandfather watch television. Lights go out. Grandfather was watching television when the lights went out. We have to use the past form of go out. Balbir study guest arrived. Balbir was studying when the guest arrived. Children make noise, teacher entered. When, or we can write, when the children were making noise, comma, The teacher entered. Father work on laptop. Naughty Jerry spill water. When father was working on laptop, comma, naughty Jerry spilled water on it. So hopefully you got these things, how to fill it up. This one I am just speaking. Verbally I am giving this answer. I shop. I met an old friend. When I was shopping, I met an old friend. My friend and I play. Robbie brought his pet in the park. When I and my friend were playing, comma, Robbie brought his pet in the park. Lalita sing a song, chief guest reached. When Lalita was singing a song, comma, the chief guest reached the auditorium. Next we have there is past perfect tense, actions completed before the certain moment in the past. She had already completed her work before everyone else. So one side it will be past perfect, another side it should be simple past. We need to have work like before or after or when. Comparison of time should be there. It is written in a book that action completed before another action. That means there should be comparison of time. The student had completed the tasks before the teacher came in the room. So one side past perfect, another side simple past, and there should be one comparison. Note that we use past perfect tense for the action that happened past and the simple past for the action that happened after that. Next, read Manisha's diary's entry and analyze the verb that are in past perfect tense. Dear diary, it's really late in the night, but I just cannot sleep. You see, I had really worked hard. So I had really worked hard. Had and worked. But it was Shreya who won it. I had not only had learned, but had also rehearsed my song many times. I remember how I had convinced to listen to me every night. He used to be very tired, but he always encouraged me. I had my heart set on winning this competition. I had tried my best, but I still could not. Maybe because I had started very late. Shreya, as she tells me, has been singing for the past 4 years. Therein lies the answer. I have just started singing 6 months back. Though I practice very hard, I should not expect to take away Shreya's toil in just one sweep. Oh yes, I have finally got my answer. Whenever I pour my heart out to you, I get the answer. Oh yes, instead of begrudging her win, I should celebrate the fact I was able to complete with an excellent performer. I now promise to practice even harder and with all my heart. I am sleepy now. Good night. Manisha. So which are past perfect tense? Already underlined. Using the clues, make sentences that show two actions. One is the simple past and the other in the past perfect tense. You may also add words to make your sentence more descriptive. I home father left. I had reached home before my father left. We fall asleep, they call. We had fallen asleep after they called. So there is comparison of time, as you can see, after, before. Next one, we open book, teacher entered. We had opened the book before the teacher. This side will be simple past tense, entered. Last one, they finished homework, fair visit. They had finished their homework before they visited the fair. Read this sentence. I had been thinking about you when you called. Naman Verma had been studying in Goa for almost 3 years. So it is used to talk about action that began before a certain time in the past and continued till that time. So continuation should be there, continuation of the work, and it is better to use the time also. Look at the picture and make sentences using the past perfect continuous tense. The children caught the flu as they had been playing in the rain since morning. Caught the flu since morning. And second one I'm doing for you, and here you go. She had been studying for 4 hours. So one mention of time is there, so that should be followed. This picture you can practice, and if you have doubt you can ask me also. These are too easy. So here we conclude this chapter, past tense. Okay, so you should try these things by your own. Thank you.